Greetings everyone. Today we will discuss about non-communicable disease. In this category, we will discuss about positive agent, prevention, care and control of cancer. We will discuss it as per the syllabus of D.Pharm first year HECP. So, what is cancer? Cancer is a group of disease involving abnormal cell growth with the potential to invade or spread to the other parts of the body. These contrast with benign tumor which do not spread. So cancer, what is it? It is the abnormal growth of tissue which can spread from one place to another inside the body. However, another type of abnormal growth is there, that those things are benign tumor. So this thing difference is, these benign tumors, they do not spread from one place to another. Metastasis is the spread of cancer cells to a new area of the body, often by way of the lymph system or bloodstream. A metastatic cancer or metastatic tumor is one that has spread from the primary site of the origin or where it started into different areas of the body. So cancer, so abnormal tissue growth occurs in some place. After some time, what happens? Metastatic phase, part of this cell growth, they detach from this original site and carried to the blood stream through lymph node, and where they are trapped, again growth occurs and new cancer tumor occurs in that place only. So now different types of cancers are there. Some cancer are called carcinoma. It is the cancer that start in the skin of the tissue that line other organs. Our skin, or covering of the other organs. Every organ is covered with a membrane. So in that area, this is the cancer of the covering of the body or organs. So that is called carcinoma. Sarcoma is the cancer of connective tissue such as bone, muscles, cartilage and blood vessels. So other than coverings, these cancers are called sarcoma. Leukemia is the cancer of bone marrow, in which bone marrow which creates blood cells. So leukemia actually abnormal growth of blood cells, especially white blood cells, abnormal growth of, they outnumber all other cells. This is called leukemia. This occurs due to some malfunctioning of the bone tissue. They excessively produce this WBCs. Lymphoma and myeloma are the cancers of immune system. Causative agent. So direct cause of the cancer is changes or mutation to the DNA in our cell. So direct cause, what happens? In some cells, certain genetic changes occurs. This is called what? Mutation. Mutation is the sudden genetic change in some cell. These changes are called mutation. Genetic mutations can be inherited. That is, it could be programmed in some people's cell. So it could be inherited from the parents. They can also occur after birth as a result of environmental forces. Several factors are there which can cause. So cancer cells, they are also ordinary body cells, but with a slight mutation. As a result, they grow abnormally. Some of these forces include exposure to cancer causing chemicals called carcinogen. There are some chemicals which can cause cancer. These chemicals are called carcinogen. Some pesticides, some coloring agent, some flavoring agent, they can act as carcinogen to cause cancer. Exposure to excessive exposure to the radiation in the middle of the day, in the scorching sunlight, there could be heavy UV radiation or other radiation which may cause cancer to the people who are extremely exposed to the sunlight, or other kind of people who are working in nuclear reactor or dealing with the radionuclides. They may also be exposed to radiation. As a result, they can suffer from cancer. Unprotected exposure to the sun, I have already discussed in this radiation section. Unprotected exposure, that is, unprotected exposure to the sun will expose the person to excessive radiation. Certain viruses such as human papilloma virus, this type of virus, they produce small moles and some outgrowth in the body, but some of these HPV, they can turn cancerous. Smoking contains nicotine and numerous other antigens. Cigarette, bidi, like this, these things they contain, even those things can cause cancer because it contains lot of carcinogenic substance. Lifestyle choices such as type of diet, level of physical activity, lifestyle. We are habituated to different type of lifestyle. So some people prefer to work all by himself. They do gardening. They go to the market by walk. So this type of activity will reduce the chances of cancer. However, those people who work less and eat more, they have the high chance of getting cancer in certain stage of their life. Sedentary or idle lifestyle can invite cancer. So prevention, so anti-cancer therapy is there. Anti-cancer, different anti-cancer drugs are there which can be used in different stages of cancer. So prevention, we can we can do following things, that is the stop using tobacco, avoid passive smoking. So do not smoke cigarette or do not inhale the smoke from other person. Eat a healthy balanced diet. Balanced diet means limit your intake of processed meat and processed milk. They may contain carcinogens. Consider adopting diet that focuses mainly on plant-based food, fresh fruit and vegetable. If your diet contains fresh fruit, vegetable, cereals, etc., then many of your non-communicable disease may not attack you. Alcohol or this type of alcohol containing drink can cause cancer. So those alcoholic drinks should be avoided. Keep a healthy weight and stay active by getting at least 30 minutes of physical. So regular exercise, you need to exercise regular. Another thing, stay protected from the sun. So how we can protect ourselves from the sun? We can use an umbrella, cover up with clothing, sunglass, hat, etc., which can apply sunscreen in your face or exposed portion of your body. Avoid sun between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and stay inside shade as much as possible when you are outside, and avoid tanning beads and sunlight. Tanning, many people used to take sun bath, so those things in scorching sunlight may damage your skin. Now vaccination could be done, that is the get vaccinated against viral infection that can lead to, that can means that may lead to cancer, such as hepatitis B and HPV. Don't engage in risky behavior, practice safe shakes, don't share needles when using drugs or prescription medication. Only get tattoos at licensed parlor. So reckless behavior may attract cancer. Uncontrolled sex, that can also attract cancer. Okay, needle, these things can also cause infection of hepatitis B, and hepatitis B, if patients survive, they may get liver cancer in later stage of their life. Visit your doctor regularly, and they can screen you for various type of cancer. This increases your chances of catching any possible cancer as early as possible. Cancer in early stage nowadays is completely treatable by medication or by surgery, or by radiation therapy. These type of things, the if cancers are detected in early stage, then it can be cured completely. So this is all about cancer. I thank you for watching.